Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to solve this given quadratic equation by completing the square. And one thing you can notice that our constant term is missing. Before we solve this given quadratic equation, I have just put down another simple and easy alternative method right up here. You can use this method by just simply factoring out, and then you're going to get your solution as I put it down. So this is the method. I would really recommend you to do this one, unless if your professor or your teacher asks you that you must do only this method, then you have a no choice. So let's go ahead and do this one over here. The very first thing, we want to make sure that our leading coefficient is 1, and that is indeed 1. So the next step is I want you to look at the coefficient of x, which is 3. Don't worry about this negative sign. We are only interested in 3. I want you to put down 3 right up here. I want you to divide this one by 2. Okay, and then I want you to, whatever this you got, just simply square it. So whatever we got, this quantity, we're gonna add on both sides of this equation. So let's go ahead and do this thing. I'm gonna put down x squared minus 3x plus equal to 0 plus. So I'm gonna add this quantity 3 over 2 square and 3 over 2 square on both sides. And as you can see, on the left hand side represents a complete square of x minus 3 over 2 square. Now you might be wondering where this square came from. This x moved right up here. Negative 3 over 2 showed up over here. This minus sign came right up here, equals to 3 over 2 square. Since we want to solve for x, we must get rid of this square. So we must take the square root on both sides. So as you can see, this square and square root, they undo each other. We got x minus 3 over 2, and on this side, this square and square root, they are gone. So we got positive or negative 3 over 2. The next step, I want you to move this negative 3 over 2 on the right hand side. So since we want to isolate x, so x equals to, when you move negative 3 over 2 on the other side, positive 3 over 2, and then positive or negative 3 over 2. So far so good. Now the next thing what we want to do is I want you to split this thing up, positive and negative sign. So we got first 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2, and the other one is 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Over here our common denominator is 2, so 3 plus 3 equal to 6 over 2 becomes x equal to 3 is one of our solutions. Here negative 3 over 2 and positive 3 over 2, they are gone. So x equal to 0 is another solution. Thus our solution set turns out to be 0, 3, and that is our answer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.